Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive into why a single rigid AI rule is just too blunt for actual learning. You see, in school policy, fairness doesn't mean sameness. A blanket rule is literally a heavy mallet smashing delicate glass. Real fairness, it means using consistent principles, but with completely different expectations depending on a student's age and subject. Let's be real, a 12-year-old and a 17-year-old have wildly different needs when it comes to academic structure and independence. Plus, an AI tool that ruins fluency in English class might be a totally legitimate professional tool in computer science. So, the big question, how do we build a framework that stays flexible without losing its core academic values? Well, we solve it by implementing a simple 3-level sliding scale for absolutely all classroom assignments. First up is Level 1. This is strictly for independent academic work, completely without the use of AI. Think timed quizzes or in-class writing. Here, authentic, individual human thinking is absolutely essential. Now, Level 2 steps it up. This level allows for limited, highly structured support using AI. It acts as a digital co-pilot for brainstorming or grammar checks, but it never generates those final answers. Finally, we hit Level 3. This allows for strategic integration where AI aligns perfectly with a professional context. It's an absolute game changer for computer science or design labs where mastering AI is the actual learning goal. But here's the massive catch, guys. This sliding scale only works if students can clearly see it. We have to ditch vague language like use responsibly and apply crystal clear assignment-specific labels instead. Imagine sticking a giant, clear Level 2 label right on top of a digital assignment before work even begins. When students know the exact level up front, boom, we completely remove that awful gotcha, cheating moment. It magically turns integrity expectations into a teachable, totally consistent part of the process across your entire curriculum. Today, we stop searching for those one-size-fits-all rules and build a framework that's as dynamic as your classrooms. So, are you ready to abandon that blunt instrument and design an AI scale that truly supports learning?